Hello and welcome to the Spooktackular Dollar Tree DIY! Hi and welcome, my darlings. Hope you're all doing well and thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I'm going to, if you haven't guessed it, I'm going to do a Spooktackular DIY from items from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you'll stay tuned, and now I'm just going to show you what you'll need. You'll need these glass containers or jars, and you can make maybe as many as you like, but I'm just doing 2, and this is going to be like decor. So you'll need these. I've used these before, I'm reusing them, but they did come from the Canadian Dollar Tree. These flowers, however, they did not come from the Canadian Dollar Tree. They came from either Michael's or Dollarama. I can't really remember, but as most of you know, you can get faux flowers at the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to be using these. I have these spider, what are they called? Spider rings. You get 10 in a pack. I've already used some from like last year. That were from last year from the Canadian Dollar Tree. So I'm maybe using some of those. And also I have these ring bats, package of these ring bats from last year that I'm hoping to repurpose. I have them on my, they look like that. And I have them on my finger. I guess I should show you this hand. As like a little ring. That's another cute little DIY. I guess you could make rings out of them. Anyways, I may do that. But using some of these to make it more look like Halloween-like. And I already had some of these pipe cleaners, and I just wrapped them around a pencil. So you can get pipe cleaners in the Dollar Tree in the crafting section. And then I got 4 bags of these. They're called Sweet Spot. The brand is Sweet Spot candy corn. I am hoping I have enough of these. You don't get much in the package. But anyways, I got 4, so I'm hoping to do 2 in each container. So here we go, my darlings. Let's see how these turn out. Please stay tuned. Of course, you'll need a pair of scissors, and Dollar Tree sells scissors. I'm going to now cut this bag open and put, there the candy corn are, and dump it in here, like so. And I'm going to take another bag, so just 2 bags, because I only got 4 bags. I probably need more. But I just make do with what I have. So I've got that all pretty much filled. So I'm just going to do that with the other one, and I'll be right back. So quickly, I wanted to share you these ornaments from Crafter Square. I got these last year in the Halloween section, and it says Boo, and it has a little twist tie, but I use them in this little DIY. I hope you enjoy. Here is the final, what it finally looks like. Thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope you liked this little idea and hope you had fun with me doing a Spooktackular DIY from using Dollar Tree items. I I hope that you enjoyed it. I will be using these in my Halloween decor this year. And I use candy corn. I actually tried the candy corn. I'm not usually a big fan of candy corn, but these are actually really good. And they're from the Canadian Dollar Tree, and they're the brand, the Sweet Spot. But they're very sweet. So if you don't like sweet, you probably wouldn't like them. But I was surprised. I may have to go get a couple more bags just to eat. But there you have it. Easy peasy. Thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope. Remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo! Boo! Thank you for all your love and support. Toodaloo!